Ever gotten a scratch on your brand new car and felt that pang of despair? We've all been there. But what if I told you that in the near future, those annoying little scratches could just disappear? It sounds like science fiction, but it's the reality of self-healing car paint. And today, we're diving deep into how this amazing technology works. So what's the secret sauce? It's not magic, it's cutting-edge chemistry. Imagine your car's paint has a special top layer, a clear coat filled with microscopic capsules. These aren't just any capsules, they're packed with a healing agent, a kind of liquid polymer resin. Think of them like tiny, microscopic eggs filled with a special glue. When a scratch happens, it's like breaking those tiny eggs. The capsules rupture and release the healing agent, which flows into the groove of the scratch. It's like a first aid response for your car's paint job. The liquid fills the gap, and that's the first step. But it doesn't just sit there. This is where the second part of the magic comes in. Often, there's another component mixed into the paint, a catalyst. When the released healing agent comes into contact with this catalyst, a chemical reaction starts. This reaction causes the liquid to harden or cure. Heat, often from sunlight, can speed up this process significantly. The liquid polymerizes, forming a strong, durable bond that effectively seals the scratch, making it vanish as if it were never there. There are a few different approaches to this. Besides the microcapsule method, some paints use a special polymer network that can reform its bonds when heated. You might have seen videos where people use a heat gun on a scratched car, and the scratch just melts away. That's this type of self-healing paint in action. The heat gives the polymer molecules the energy they need to move around and realign themselves, essentially forgetting the damage. Think about the implications of this. No more expensive trips to the body shop for minor scuffs and scratches. Your car could maintain its pristine, glossy finish for much, much longer, which also helps preserve its resale value. It's not just about looks. A solid paint job protects the metal underneath from rust and corrosion. So this technology adds a significant layer of long-term protection. Currently, this technology is mostly found on high-end luxury vehicles because it's still quite expensive to produce. But like all great innovations, as the science gets better and manufacturing becomes more efficient, we can expect to see self-healing paint become more common and affordable. It is a game changer that combines materials science and clever chemistry to solve a problem that has frustrated car owners for decades. The future of automotive care is looking shinier than ever. So, the next time you see a minor scratch, just imagine a world where you could just park your car in the sun and let it heal itself. That world is closer than you think. What do you think about this technology? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this peek into the future, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into amazing tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.